Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. You need managed server permission and a Discord application with a bot token. Create the application, copy the token, and store it safely. Once done, enable the server members and presence intents if the tracker needs them, and generate an invite URL using bot and applications. Command scopes. Make sure you select the correct permission bits for reading invites and managing roles. This gets you into the practical setup without wasting time on trivial preface. Now you implement the core logic in your chosen library. Install dependencies and initialize the client with the token and intents. Create listeners for invite creation, deletion, and member join events. Fetch current invite snapshots and persist them to a database so count survive restarts. When a member joins, compare snapshots to identify which invite changed. Then increment the inviters count and update any role rewards. Make sure updates are atomic to avoid race conditions during simultaneous join. Finish by deploying the bot to a reliable host and using a process manager to auto-restart on failures. Configure command permissions and role reward thresholds, and enable detailed audit logging so you can track actions. Once deployed, monitor memory and API rate usage and back up your database regularly. If invite counts are wrong, resync your stored invite snapshots with the server's current invites, verify bot permissions, and check for multiple vanity or external invite systems. This single resync step often resolves most discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.